Hello everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. One second, I'm just fixing up the camera. Okay, this is the reading for the zodiac sign Sagittarius for the month of June 2021. This is a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, let's see Sagittarius what you are going through in the month of June. Sorry for the delay, guys. A lot of spiritual awakening is happening. Third eye chakra is opening for few of the Sagittarius. You are a very playful energy, focusing on a stability, commitment, relationships, and foundation, either in career or relationship. Okay. If you'll convert your passion into profession, Sagittarius, that will be really cool. Okay. Trust your hobbies a lot. Cards are flipping up. Okay. So yeah. So you're just going with the flow, being patient enough right now, just going with the flow, which is way too good, guys. Okay. Maturity, you are getting matured. One second. Okay, so guys, you're going through a lot of maturity in a situation. Okay, maturity related to your own thing. Okay, you are going through a lot of maturity, which is way too good. Okay, so yeah, you are being in a defending mode in the month of June. You will be very defending, rebellious. Okay, into a situation. Some of the karmic cycles are endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. Transformation, if you are dealing with any karmic connection or any financial blockages, those things are ending. Okay, you are thinking of traveling somewhere, exploring, relocating somewhere you want to travel. Okay, you feel that there is a lack of understanding into a situation, like something is not coming into provision. But yeah, I feel that a lot of lack of understanding is there into a situation. Either fights are going on between your head and heart, or else fights are going on around you. But yes, fights are going on. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay, that's a situation. Very good. Okay, let's see. Lack of understanding, being rebellious, karmic cycle endings, new beginnings. Good one, Sagittarius. Okay, I see this very rarely. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, before, in the past, you were very confused between head and heart. Heart was saying something else and head was saying something else. Okay, now you are gaining a lot of clarity into a situation. You were having sleepless nights, anxiety issues in the past. Now you are gaining a clarity in the month of June, and you'll be getting good sleep in the month of June. Okay, you'll be releasing anxiety issues, problems, tensions, headaches. Okay, so yeah, but still you will be stuck into a situation. Okay, like it will take time for you to stuck into a situation. Okay, so yeah, the blockages will be there, but yeah, situation will unstuck as the time passes. You're waiting for some sort of opportunity, either in career or relationship. Okay, wait, guys. Yes, you're waiting some sort of an opportunity is there. You're waiting for that opportunities. Okay, so yeah, it may be you're waiting for an opportunity to travel, relocate, shift somewhere else. Okay, so that might be thinking, you haven't moved on completely. The things which disappointed you in the past. Okay, sorry for the background sound, guys, first of all. Okay, but yeah, there were few things in the past that disappointed you a lot. Okay, but this is the time for you to move on. I would advise you to move on. You stayed away from fights, problems, and the things which created disappointments in your life. Now that's why you are releasing anxiety issues, tensions. Now you want to stay away from problems and issues, which is way too good. Okay, I think it was important for you. You need to focus on overall stability related to career and relationship. There is someone you love. Okay, I don't know what, but two people at a distance missing each other or want to be together with each other. That might be in a spiritual connection or a twin flame connection. Okay, I don't know with whom you are dealing with, but yeah, I can see that two people, meeting each other, thinking about each other, missing each other, and they are meant for each other. Okay, it might be a twin flame connection or a spiritual connection, Sagittarius. Yes, karmic cycle ended, and therefore new person is coming, new person entered into your life or will be entering into your life. Okay, so yeah, kindly I'm telling you that do not focus on background sound, guys. Okay, I cannot help it out. Okay, you are being very courageous, very strengthful, very courageous, very enthusiastic in the month of June. Okay, Sagittarius, there is a new beginning which you need to take place, but it might take a time for you. Okay, like new beginning on the horizon, but there is a universal blockage. It won't be happening very soon, Sagittarius. Okay, at least in the month of June it won't be happening. There is a money related opportunity will be coming to you. Grab that opportunity within a month or within this year. An opportunity related to the money you will get very soon. Grab that opportunity, oh Sagittarius. Okay, there is certain wish which you want to get fulfilled, maybe relationship, maybe career, but that wish will not come true right now. That wish will come true within next 9 months. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's see what is your life purpose. Okay, what is your life purpose? Okay, your life purpose is that you are being courageous enough. Sagittarius are meant for to be together, like being courageous. Yeah, so yes. Wow, some of the Sagittarius might be dealing with gemstones and crystals, or might start a business related to it. Okay, some of you might be dealing with the musical things, musical stuff, which is way too good. Musics are way too good sometimes. Okay, so yeah, musics are the best things when you want to heal yourself. Okay, so yeah, karmic justice is on the horizon. Your career brings fairness and protection to others who need your help. So there might be a career which you will be choosing, or you have already chosen, or you will be choosing to help others, which is way too good. Okay, you might become an author as well, or you might be writing something. Okay, a book or anything it can be. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Wow, heart's desire. Focus on your heart's desire, guys, because angels are supporting you. Let's see what your love reading is saying. But guys, if you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. Let's see what is your love reading saying you. Heart-to-heart conversation. There is someone with whom you need to have a heart-to-heart communication. Okay, you're hiding your feelings, Sagittarius. Okay, for others of your children, your love life may be affected by children, or for others of you, children might not be you might not be having children, or children might be affecting your love life. Okay, so yeah. The third situation is let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. There is few situation which you need to let go of the control issues. Okay, you are attracted to someone, or someone is attracted to you. Okay, Sagittarius. Yes, you feel that there is someone with whom you can flirt a lot. Okay, and you're a very flirty energy, Sagittarius. At the same time, you feel that there is a strong magnetic attraction with someone. You have a very strong chemistry with someone. Okay, so yeah, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. So you need to be free. You need to focus on your freedom, because that's the life you are meant to be with. Okay, you like people who are just being free. Let your friends help you. There might be few things which you need to ask, or which you need a guidance on. Ask your friends, they might help you in that, in your love life, or in your setting of your love life. Okay, if you need an honest suggestions, ask your friends. Okay, to whom you trust. Okay, so they might guide you in some way or the other. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.